is sharp, hearts unyielding. Under stormy skies, the clans are wielding. Through frost and flame, the echoes rise. A battle cry, it splits the skies. Oh, shield bearers, to the clash of swords and the ravens' cries. Bold we stand where the wild winds cold. Till the last one falls. Ironclad shadows on the ridge appear. Drums beat loud, they drown the fear. 1,000 oaths sworn to the sea, the gods of old. They march with me. Oh, shield bearer, to the clash of swords and the ravens' cries. Bold we stand where the wild winds go.
Kebudayaan Museum Perang Sintuak 1945 bergerak dengan senjata 2025 bergerak dengan seni
The horn bellows deep like a mountain's roar. We strike as waves on a hostile shore. In the fire's